Namaste. In this series, we will learn about algebra, a chapter from Class 6 NCERT Maths. In this video, we will learn about introduction. So before we start, please pay attention. Please watch this video carefully. Single statement is enough important to understand. So please avoid any disturbance. Please practice for perfection. Once you learn any concept, kindly practice that and comment if you have any doubt related to any topic. So let us start with this first video of the series Algebra. So let us start the very first video of this series, Introduction. Now imagine that you goes to some fruit stall like this, just like this gentleman, and he purchased mango. Now the rate of this mango is Rs 8 per mango. So how much total amount he will pay for purchasing this mango? Listen my question carefully. How much amount he will pay for purchasing mangoes? That depends on number of mangoes he purchased. So the simple calculation is, say, Rs 8 times number of mangoes, right? Now we don't know how many mangoes this gentleman purchased. So what can we do? We take some value called x, 8 into x. So here you should remember that used alphabet for this unknown value is called variable. Now you can use any alphabet like A, B, C, P, Q, R. So here 8 times x can also be written as 8x. So here 8x denotes total amount for mango this gentleman purchased. Clear? Now pay attention towards this 8x. This 8x is called your algebraic expression. That means amount of rupees paid for mango. Now let's understand this 8x. It is made up of two parts. This x, which is variable part, and 8, which is numerical part. This variable part may be one or more variable. Like right now you can see 8x, but there may be 8xy, 2xz, something like that you will come to know in future. And this numerical part is called coefficient. I repeat, this numerical part is called coefficient. You can simply understand the meaning of coefficient as, say, friend or companion, right? Now suppose this gentleman purchases some apple and the rate for this apple is Rs 5 per apple. So how much money will he pay? Yes, he will pay 5 times number of apples. Here also, how much apple does he purchase? We don't know. So for that we take value x. So 5 into x, which can be written as 5x. This 5x is number of money this gentleman will pay for buying these apples. Clear? Now try to understand this 5x. It is also called algebraic expression, where this x is variable part, this 5 is numerical part. Variable part may have one or two more variables, and numerical part is called, yes, coefficient. Do you remember this gentleman has purchased mango previously? Fine. So please pay attention. Here we have taken x for number of apples, but we have already taken x for number of mangoes. So using same alphabet for two different cases is not valid. So we will change this number of apples with y, so that final amount he will be paying is 5 into y, that is 5y. Please pay attention here. In the same case, for your sake, it is in the same question. If you use one variable for one particular detail in the whole question, that variable has the same meaning. Please be confirmed with that. Now, this 8x, it represents amount paid for purchasing mango, and 5y, it shows amount paid for purchasing apple. And if this gentleman purchased both of the thing, then he will be paying 8x plus 5y. Hope you are clear up to here? Now, he cannot take all these mangoes and apple in his bare hands, so he will be buying some bag like this. The cost of this bag is rupees 3. So he will be paying that 3 rupees also. So the total amount he will be paying is 8x plus 5y plus 3. Are you clear? So this whole story till now, like a gentleman goes to the market, he buys some mango, cost rupees 8 per mango, and buys some apple, cost rupees 5 per apple, and a bag worth rupees 3. Total how much amount will he pay? The whole story mathematically you will be representing like this: 8x plus 5y plus 3. This, whatever you can see on your screen, is known as algebraic expression. Earlier you have seen 8x, that was also called algebraic expression. 8x plus 5y, that was also called algebraic expression, and this also called algebraic expression because it involves some variable. Now, this algebraic expression has various parts. Please pay attention. First, this 8x, it is called term. Then this 5y, it is also called term, and these 3, it is also known as term. So you can see in this algebraic expression there are 3 terms. Are you clear? So this way, describing situation mathematically using numbers and variable is called algebraic expression. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. For rest of the topic, keep watching our next video in the series. Thank you.